Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today, spare ribs, BBQ spare ribs, but in oven, not in barbecue, but in oven. Very nice recipe. Now summer is coming, so we will enjoy this, but not obligation to have barbecue. And if you are in a flat, you can also do this good pleasure, guilty recipe. We need to take off this little skin, like this. This we call it membrane in French. You can do it with finger. It's better to remove. It's not obligation, but it will be more tender. This will make that marinade will enter better in the meat also. Listen this typical noise of removing membrane. Now we have a clean BBQ ribs, spare ribs, sorry. So now it's time to make marinade. For marinade, you take garlic powder, you take ginger powder, we take mustard, smoked paprika or paprika, spicy paprika, a little bit. If you like, you can as well put black pepper or white pepper, kosher salt, a bit of vinegar, a bit of oil. In my case it's olive oil, and if you like you can add honey. I prefer to add ketchup. For me honey is too sweet, so I prefer ketchup. All proportions are written below the video. We mix this together, and this is our fantastic marinade. I take a tray, a clean tray. It's really useful for this because it's a good size, and you make holes in your ribs to stick, and you release your stress in the ribs. Other side as well, and we put marinade. Of course we will put in both sides. We flip it up and other side. Voila, this is a perfect amount for this size of ribs, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ribs, 9 bones size. It's like for little family, 3, 4 people, one big hungry person. Now we marinate it, or half an hour without fridge, 1 hour minimum with fridge, or the best is a night in the fridge. For us will be half an hour without fridge. Meanwhile, I'd like to make a really fresh salad with veggies, salad, carrots, cucumbers, red bell pepper. And you will see an interesting sauce which will be really light and fresh. So this I will grate it in my helper. Fresh carrots. You can do by hands, but it's a little bit more time. But it's possible. The cucumbers, the same. Maybe a little bit crispy. You will have in this salad different tastes and different textures. And this, if you are in the summer, this, it's not necessary to throw it away. You keep it, and tomorrow you will put it in a gazpacho, for instance, with some tomatoes and more red bell pepper. And this way I don't put seeds in the salad. You can put some iceberg or some romana or some, we call it heart of romana in Spain. It's a crispy salad, little bit bitter. Red bell pepper, also in little julienne, like this, julienne bâtonnée. Salad full of vitamin, which will make a good balance with the guilty pleasure of spare ribs. We every time say that we must eat minimum 5 fruit and veggies by day. So as you see here, we have already 4 types. If I add onions, will be 5. White onion, tender, beautiful, very beautiful. Let's make a light sauce with Greek yogurt, or you can use kefir if you want. You can use sour cream. I like Greek yogurt. We add some garlic, and garlic not fresh but dry like this, like to give the taste like in tzatziki in Greece or in Crete. They had the special mix for tzatziki with herbs, dill and so on, and inside it's dry garlic, and I like this taste. That's why I don't put fresh. Dill I put fresh because this gives a really nice freshness to the sauce. So some fresh dill, maybe you can put some chives, some parsley, some coriander. Oh, in this of course I'm French, so I put some mustard, some little bit of vinegar or lime juice or lemon juice. I put white wine vinegar, a nice spoon, tablespoon, salt, black pepper, and of course olive oil. Amazing sauce. Let's try. Fantastic. Nothing to add. So this we add to the salad. Also suitable for hot sandwich, pita, kebabs, or you can do it with vinegar sauce, vinaigrette. That we have a video also in the channel. But for me, it's for summer and for body summer, it's better this sauce. And now we mix this. This mountain of vitamin and color. Colorful vitamin salad. Look at this amazing salad made from just a few veggies. Of course, if you put mayonnaise, it will be tasty also, but a little bit less light. Amazing. Our ribs are marinated half an hour. Oven is preheated at 220 degrees Celsius. I recommend you to put in a paper instead of directly in aluminium. We take it like this, up, and we wrap it in the paper to protect it, and after it in aluminium. Of course, work clean every time. More foil. We close here, more foil here. Wow. And we are ribs ready to go to the oven. If you have in your house a big wood oven smoker like these big things that you can have in USA, of course you can use it. So this go to oven around hour and a half minimum. Let's check after 1 hour and a half. Ooh, it's hot. We check with 2 sticks. Easily go inside, so it's ready. Now we open, and what we're gonna do to glaze it with the juice, and once again put in grill to make a nice color for finishing. We take the juice and we put on top. And come back to the oven at grill, I don't know, we say 15 minutes, more or less. Now it's nice on the top. I will use the left juice to put in the barbecue sauce that I made before. There is video on the channel. We mix. Well, it's not necessary to have the sauce, you can serve with just ketchup, mustard or whatever, or barbecue sauce that you buy. I will do my homemade one. Hop. I use the juice to make it shiny. The left juice. Hop. It smells so nice, believe me. Now my barbecue sauce, homemade, smells so good. As you see on the tray, there's left one bone, maybe from here. Oh, this is the best test to understand if it's cooked. Oh, the salad we made. The barbecue sauce. So nice. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful sauce. Really try to do barbecue sauce homemade. It's really fantastic. And you can enjoy these barbecue ribs in oven with fresh salad and sauce. Let's try it. Look at this. Barbecue sauce. Really, really tender. It's perfect for pulled pork if you want. You can even cut with the fork. Look at this, look at this. Fantastic. It's melting in the mouth. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe to my channel.